So guys at the back, from like a teamwork point of view, those 2 rounds, what's your thoughts?
Another cold call here, directed to guys at the back. So you might describe that as a group cold call. Someone from the group has to step up and speak. But what I love about this cold call is it's really an invitation. We've got 3 groups of students in this room. We've got the students who are actually playing the game, and we've got the students who are managing them, who are right behind them. And in the back are 4 or 5 students who are just participants. They weren't actually players, and maybe they're wondering, am I a full member of this group? Do I really belong? Does what I have to say matter here? And by inviting them into the conversation and telling them that their voice matters, she makes them feel part of the group, but she also holds them lovingly accountable. You have to pay attention even when you're not playing. So a really lovely execution of the cold call there. And now we've had 3 cold calls, and the message to the group is be on your toes, be ready.